My family members believe that taweez or the amulet is giving them protection against jinns. They tie it around their waist and keep it under their pillow. Can you please explain if this is shirk and what are the consequences?
Wearing amulets, or they call it talisman, I think, or ta'weez, or the likes, this is either minor shirk or major shirk. It is minor shirk when you believe that if I wear this on my head, Allah Azza wa Jal will protect me. Now, why is it minor shirk? Because Allah did not make this means of cure or protection. And this is why Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen explains the remedies and the healing process in Islam. He says, number one, remedies and healing through the Quran. Number one, doing ruqya from the Quran, or doing what Allah mentioned in the Quran, using honey, or using what the Prophet ﷺ directed us to, black seed, cupping, and the likes. These are healing processes mentioned in the Quran and Sunnah. This is Shari. Number two, healing process through medication known through experiment and science. So you have an infection. This infection is cured with the grace of Allah through antibodies produced by this medicine. You have headache, you take Tylenol, aspirin, Panadol, whatever, it relieves it in 6. You have fever, you take this, it would, scientists, doctors, experiment says, all good. Number three, something that is used as healing, but neither the Quran or Sunnah approves of it, nor the scientists say it is good, such as lots in the 90s, people used to wear a copper bracelet, and it looks nice, you know, oh, that's cool, sophisticated. What is this? Oh, this is for joint pain, rheumatism, I have back pain. Oh, when I wear this, mashallah, it's gone. Interesting. Quran, Sunnah, not mentioned. I don't know. Okay, Sheikh says, I don't know, it's not in the Quran, Sunnah. Go to the scientists. Go to Cleveland Clinic, Mayo Clinic, go to Johns Hopkins, do Harvard. Doctors, what do you think? Oh, this is bogus. This is nonsense. It has no power, no nothing. This is shirk, minor shirk, because you believe that Allah would heal you through something that is not proven neither by Quran, Sunnah, nor by science. If you believe that this by itself is a cure or a protection, it has nothing to do with Allah. By itself, it cures you or protects you, this is major shirk. Takes you out of the fold of Islam. Most people who wear ta'weez think this, because they know when they open the ta'weez, they see timetables and crosses and crescents and weird symbols. And it's not Quran, it's not Sunnah, it's nothing. And they know that sorcerers wrote this, but they say, I have to wear it. I can't sleep without it. I will not be able to eat without it. It will leave dire consequences if I drive without it. I will die because of an accident. This is shirk that takes a person out of Islam.